Yo, what's up everybody, it's Colin, and listen, I'm stoked about this one. We're diving headfirst into the world of surfing, but not just anywhere. Portugal, baby. This country is a surfer's paradise, and I'm not just talking about the pros. Portugal's coastline is insane. We're talking miles of golden beaches, dramatic cliffs, and waves that'll blow your mind. But here's the thing, it's also home to some of the best-kept secret surf spots for beginners. If you're just starting out, trust me, this is where you want to be. So if you're tired of the crowds and ready to catch some epic waves, then buckle up. We're about to drop in on Portugal's hidden gems and show you how to shred like a pro, even if you're a total kook. Let's go. Okay, so you're thinking, why Portugal? Why not just hit up California or Bali like everyone else? And I hear you, those places are iconic for a reason. But let me tell you, Portugal is different. It's got this raw, untamed beauty that's hard to find anywhere else. First off, the coastline is insane. Like I said, we're talking about a variety of breaks. From mellow beach breaks, perfect for learning to point breaks that'll get your heart racing. What I'm saying is, there's something here for everyone. Second, consistency is key when you're learning to surf, and Portugal delivers. The Atlantic pumps out waves year-round. You're pretty much guaranteed to find good conditions no matter when you come. And let's not forget about the weather. Portugal is blessed with this amazing climate, sunny skies, warm water, you know the drill. You can comfortably surf in board shorts or a spring suit for most of the year, but here's the real kicker. Portugal is still relatively undiscovered when it comes to surfing, especially compared to those other crowded lineups. You're more likely to find empty peaks and share waves with friendly locals than fight for scraps. So whether you're a complete newbie or you've caught a few waves before, Portugal is the ultimate playground for beginner surfers. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Portugal has so many epic surf spots, it's hard to know where to start. From the north to the south, the coastline is dotted with incredible places to catch waves. But don't worry, I got you covered. We're going to explore some of the best hidden gems. First up, we're heading south to the Alentejo region. This place is a hidden gem, seriously. It's often overlooked but has so much to offer. Think secluded beaches, rolling hills, and some of the most consistent waves in Portugal. Perfect for those who want a bit of peace and quiet. It's like stepping back in time, man. The vibe here is so relaxed and authentic. One spot you have to check out is Zambujeira do Mar. This place is a beginner surfer's dream. It's got everything you need to get started. The waves are mellow, the water is clear, and the vibe is super laid back. It's the perfect spot to learn and just enjoy the ocean. Next, we're cruising down to the Algarve, Portugal's southernmost region. Now, the Algarve is known for its stunning beaches and turquoise waters, but it's also home to some secret surf spots that are perfect for beginners. You just have to know where to look. One of my favorites is Praia da Marinha. It's this picturesque little cove with these crazy rock formations and crystal clear water. It's like something out of a postcard. The waves here are usually pretty small and manageable, making it ideal for learning to pop up and ride your first waves. It's a great place to build your confidence. Now, if you're up for an adventure, head north to the Costa Vicentina. This rugged coastline is a surfer's paradise with powerful waves and dramatic scenery. It's a bit more challenging, but totally worth it. Don't worry though, there are still plenty of beginner-friendly spots tucked away along this wild coast. You just have to explore a bit. Check out Arafana, just south of Algeciras. It's got this long, sandy beach with multiple peaks, so you can usually find a spot away from the crowds. It's a great place to practice without feeling pressured. The waves here are generally mellower than other spots on the Costa Vicentina, making it a good option for beginners. So pack your board and hit the road. These hidden gems are waiting for you. Alright, so you're stoked about surfing in Portugal, but before you paddle out, let me drop some knowledge bombs that'll help you avoid looking like a total kook. Surfing is an incredible sport, but it comes with its own set of challenges, especially for beginners. First things first, you gotta get yourself the right board. This is crucial because the type of board you choose can make or break your initial surfing experience. I'm talking about a big stable board, something like a foam top longboard or a softboard. These boards are designed to give you the stability you need to catch your first waves. These boards are super buoyant and forgiving, which is exactly what you need when you're starting out. They help you maintain balance and make it easier to stand up. Now, surfing isn't just about paddling and popping up, it's also about respecting the ocean and the people around you. Surfing has a rich culture and a set of unwritten rules that everyone should follow. So before you hit the water, take some time to learn about surfing etiquette. This includes understanding the right of way, knowing how to handle your board, and being aware of your surroundings. Things like don't drop in on someone, paddle wide around other surfers, and always try to have fun. Remember, the ocean is a shared space and everyone deserves to enjoy it. Listen, learning to surf takes time and dedication. It's not something you'll master overnight, so be prepared for a journey. You're gonna wipe out, you're gonna get frustrated, but that's all part of the process. Every surfer has been there, and it's these moments that make the successes even sweeter. The key is to be patient with yourself, embrace the learning curve, and most importantly, never give up. Persistence is what will ultimately lead you to success. One thing I wish I knew when I was starting out was the importance of finding a good surf instructor. A knowledgeable instructor can make a world of difference. A good instructor can teach you the basics, help you correct bad habits, and accelerate your progress. They provide personalized feedback that you can't get from just watching videos. Plus, they know all the best spots and can give you insider tips. This local knowledge can be invaluable, especially when you're new to the area. Don't be afraid to ask questions, talk to the locals, and immerse yourself in the surf culture. The more you engage, the more you'll learn. Surfers are generally a friendly bunch, and they're usually stoked to share their passion with others. So get out there, make some friends, and enjoy the ride. Alright, now that you know where to go and what to expect, let's talk gear. Getting the right equipment is essential for a great surfing experience. Don't worry, you don't need a ton of fancy equipment to start surfing, but there are a few essentials you're going to need. First off, a wetsuit. This is your second skin in the water. Portugal's water can be chilly, even in the summer, so a good wetsuit is crucial. It keeps you warm and comfortable, allowing you to stay out longer and catch more waves. The type of wetsuit you need will depend on the time of year and the water temperature, so do your research before you go. Next up, a leash. This small but mighty piece of gear is a lifesaver. This little cord attaches your board to your ankle and prevents you from losing your board when you wipe out. It's a simple tool, but it makes a huge difference. Trust me, you don't want to be swimming after your board in the ocean. Don't forget about wax. It's more important than you might think. Surf wax is applied to the top of your board and provides grip so you don't slip off. Without it, staying on your board would be a real challenge. There are different types of wax for different water temperatures, so make sure you get the right one. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference in your performance. Now, if you're traveling light and don't want to lug all your gear with you, don't sweat it. You can still have an amazing surf adventure. Portugal has tons of surf shops where you can rent or buy everything you need. These shops are well stocked and cater to surfers of all levels. Actually, checking out local surf shops is a great way to support the local economy and get some insider tips from the people who know the area best. They can offer invaluable advice on the best spots and conditions. Oh, and one last thing, sunscreen, this is non-negotiable. The sun can be intense in Portugal, especially when you're out on the water all day. Protecting your skin is crucial to avoid painful burns and long-term damage. So slather up, protect your skin, and enjoy those waves. With the right gear and preparation, your surf adventure in Portugal will be unforgettable. So there you have it, guys, your complete guide to shredding Portugal's secret surf spots. I hope this has inspired you to grab a board, hit the water, and experience the stoke of surfing in this beautiful country. Remember, surfing is all about having fun, pushing your limits, and connecting with the ocean. So get out there, embrace the challenge, and who knows, maybe I'll see you out in the lineup. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel for more epic adventures, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the action. Until next time, peace out.